Breaking news, the final chapter is written in the ongoing legal proceedings involving Greensboro Police Sergeant Dale Nix's 2023 murder.
WXII 12's Chris Peterson was the only TV reporter in the courtroom when John Morrison and Le'Pearce Blackwell pled guilty to charges relating to his murder. He joins us live from the Guilford County Courthouse. And Chris, we understand there was emotional testimony today.
Yes, there were several emotional moments during today's two hearings, as well as new information revealed about the murder of Sergeant Dale Nix and how law enforcement tracked down Le'Pearce Blackwell and John Morrison. The judge denied our request to have a camera in the courtroom during the hearings. The courtroom was filled with friends of Sergeant Dale Nix, which included Greensboro police officers standing against the wall. State's Attorney Christopher Parrish shared in open court that Blackwell, Morrison, and Jameer Foster would rob beer from convenience stores and then resell the beer to a liquor house in Winston-Salem. Morrison and Foster were leaving the Sheetz on Sandy Ridge Road in Colfax holding cases of beer when they were confronted by Sergeant Dale Nix. According to Parrish, Foster shot and killed Nix before the three drove away. A security camera took a picture of their license plate, and law enforcement tracked them to Winston-Salem using a flock camera system where Blackwell and Foster were arrested. On Monday, Judge Jason Ramey sentenced Blackwell to 16 to 29 months for accessory after the fact. Since she's been in jail since her arrest, she was released by the judge. There was a collective gasp in the courtroom when the judge said she would be released. Blackwell broke down in tears as Judge Ramey scolded her for involvement and said, "You are not innocent in all of this." In a separate hearing, Morrison was sentenced to a total of 15 to 20 years for accessory to second-degree murder and robbery with a dangerous weapon. Several victim impact statements were read. Current Greensboro Police Chief Cameron Ovsel said the impact of Sergeant Nix's death is still felt today and that the people who took his life are the people he would have tried to help. Tears were shed as Sergeant Nix's co-workers at the Guilford County Family Justice Center shared stories and called Nix one of the best among us. The Nix family did not appear in court today. The third defendant in this case, Jameer Foster, pleaded guilty to second-degree murder and robbery with a dangerous weapon back in February. He'll serve anywhere from 25 to 32 years in prison. In Greensboro, I'm Chris Peterson, WXII 12 News.